Hi kids! Today we are going to read words beginning with long vowel sounds. The long sound of A is A. The long sound of E is E. The long sound of I is I. The long sound of O is O. The long sound of U is U. Say each word before I do. You can do it. Just try. A. Apron. A. Acorn. A. Angel. E. Equal. E. 11. E. Evil. I. Ice. I. Island. I. Iris. O. Open. O. Oval. O. Ocean. U. Unicorn. U. Urinal. U. Unicycle. Boys and girls, which word begins with the long vowel sound A? We have ant, alien, apple. And the answer is alien. Yay! Now we have ape and an ant. And the answer is ape. Now, which word begins with the long vowel sound E? We have elf equal end. And the answer is equal. Now we have egg, eraser, elephant. And you're right, the word is eraser. Now, which word begins with the long vowel sound I? We have iron, ink, ill. And the answer is iron. We have into, island, inside. And the answer is island. Now let's see which word begins with the long vowel sound O. We have on, other, over. And the answer is over. We have odd, omen, opposite. And the answer is omen. Which word begins with the long vowel sound U? We have unit, Up, under. And their answer is unit. We have until, uniform, umbrella. And the answer is uniform. You did well. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. We will read next time, boys and girls. Goodbye.